All right, and we're back. This is just a quick basic. I already took the padded envelope off of it, so I'm going to pop this box and show you what we got here. Here's one of the part numbers on it. Okay, spin it around. Here's the other part number. Get that up here. All right, so what I have here is, get this to pop open. Bear with me. There we go. All right, this is a fan resistor / control module. Depends on what you want to call it. This is for a 2018 Hyundai Tucson. My daughter's car. She told me about 2 weeks ago, Dad, I'm sitting in a line at Burger King getting food for my grandson, and the car's getting hot. Like, she could see the temperature coming up on the gauge. And I told her, I said, well, put the AC on, you know, to try to get the fan to come on. And she turned the AC on and the fan still did not come on. So that means one of two things. That means either we have a bad fan or the control module / resistor, again, whatever you want to call it. I think for Hyundai, says this controls both when the AC's on and when your start temperatures are getting hot. So I guess it's really more of a control module, even though they had it listed as resistor control module on the when I did the search. So basically, I told her, I said, well, let's go to cheapest route first, because the fan is quite expensive. And I picked up this control module off of Amazon, and I want to say it was $20 shipped. Obviously, I'll add a link in the description, but I believe it was only $20 shipped for it. So I figured it's probably a 10-minute job to swap this out. Let me do this first, and then we'll see if the fan works. If it doesn't, then we know for sure we got a bad fan. But since it's not working, again, when you put the AC on, which is like a bypass to turn the fan on, and it was getting warm, it didn't come on. So I figured, all right, let's just shits and giggles go for the control module, because that's what a lot of people online said it was. So with that said, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And if you have a Tucson 2016 to 2022, I think it's the same model year, same body, everything's the same. You know, subscribe if you want to see the installation. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.